Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video tutorial of Begisto. So guys, in this video tutorial I come with a solution of a problem for which we are getting lot of queries on our Begisto forum, on our Facebook page, on our live chat system, that people are facing issue to find out the blade file of the template or the view. So guys, this video gonna be very helpful for the beginners or the developers or the contributor who are working around the Begisto and they are exploring the Begisto and they are facing difficulties to find out the blade file. So guys, this is Prachi. In this video tutorial I am going to tell you how you can enable blade file tracer in Begisto. So friends, when we are working on a website in a number of view, it becomes difficult to find out which part contains the code that we need to work on. So this video is very helpful for the beginners and the developer or the contributor partner who are working and they wish to work on a Begisto so far, but they are facing difficulty to find out the blade file. And this video could be very helpful for a number of reasons. This could be helpful for you if you are working on a website with lot of views, implementing a number of blocks in a template. This will also help the beginner to understand the structure of the project. So guys, before moving to the steps to enable blade file hints path in the Begisto, basically hint path will help you to show the path of all the blade file that are loaded into your template. And we can say in the UI the user can easily find the blade file of any block. It will also help to understand quickly the Begisto code structure. So now let's move on to the steps to enable the blade file hint path in Begisto. So guys, as you can see, this is my local host and right now I am not able to see any path hint here, but once I run the commands I will be able to see the path. So now let's move on to the project Begisto root directory and locate to the file config. So this is basically my project, Begisto project, and I need to go to the config folder, and under the config folder you will find this view.php file. Under this, as you can see, tracer is by default set as false, which we need to set as true. After that we will click on to save file. Now we have successfully saved the file. Now we need to go to the terminal, and on terminal you need to go to your project root and you need to run the two commands, which is, because I am already on my project root, so once you are in your project root you need to run two commands. First one is php artisan view cache clear, so compiled view cleared. Now we need to run the second command, which is php artisan config.cache, php artisan config cache. So guys, configuration cached successfully. Now let's move on to the Begisto front end. Now we need to reload the page. So guys, hope you can see now I am able to see the path of my template. This. So guys, this is very simple and easy to enable the blade file hint path in Begisto. If you still face any issue, please contact us at begisto.ubidex.com. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.